Hey guys, welcome back to the Workbench. Today we're going to try to get to the bottom of one of the mysteries that has been plaguing myself and other vintage fan collectors for years, which is, I really should have a prop for this. I guess I'll look and see if I have something. I don't think I do. Hey guys, welcome back to the Workbench. Today we're going to try to get to the bottom of something that has bothered me and other vintage fan collectors for years, which is who made these. I said I wasn't going to do any more props since the workbench is clear. I've got the boxes behind me. I don't really feel like props are necessary. But in this case, since we don't actually know what to call these, I wanted to have one here on the workbench so you can see what I'm talking about. We have been referring to these as American Industries. And, no, I should have used one of those Calcutta boxes. Hey guys, welcome back to the Workbench. I said I was done with props, but today,